we're going to be talking about tabs and what tabs can do for you guys. Not just for what they can do for you guys, but what are their technical capabilities and what they mean for the world of web development. We are also going to play around with the AI that has been that has been trained with the tab examples. So I'm going to go to the examples here. If you started, you can find this welcome screen here in the upper right corner, and the example app is right here. This is the environment's probably most important function. And if you ever become a Warp user or program something for Warp or use Warp for something that he excels at, and this is data debugging, because we have a debugging environment. We're going to also demonstrate today how this works. And in conjunction with Warp Inspect, this thing is awesome. So Warp Inspect is going to basically push some data through the inspection process. And when it pushes to the inspection process, it's going to try to automatically run applications that deal with this type of data. So Warp, for this moment, just take it for granted that Warp has a special inspect function. I'm going to make this a little bit larger so you guys can see it. And this inspect function triggers here, you can see it, the string that's being inspected, and it triggered these applications that work with this type of data. In the next example, I'm just going to open a tab with JavaScript, and I'm going to send it to the inspect function. So first of all, recognize that it did not expect this is an asynchronous interface, so it waited for the whole process, which is complicated, of the web page to be loaded, and then it's sent to the inspection. The inspect caught this tab, and if you look at it as a JavaScript object, you can see all the properties of this object. So it has an ID, URL, it has a window reference, it has its own element, it has an API, evaluate, destroy, back, forward, navigate, agent, and we are going to test these APIs. So in the next example, we are going to open a tab with specific ID. It doesn't matter, this is not important. Open several tabs and close them when loaded. This is not also what I want to show. I want to change agent, evaluation and scraping. This is what I want to show you. I want to show you evaluate some code inside of a tab. So this code will open a tab, and it's going to evaluate a piece of JavaScript over there. This is basically, or maybe the next example is what you need for scraping. So for our perspective, we don't need Puppeteer for these things. We can open a tab, an invisible tab, evaluate some code inside, and we can return it here in the vector, in the debugging and programming environment. Maybe something a little bit open Gmail and toast last email sender, Google testing, and open first result. Let's do this. So we can run code on the tabs. That's the idea of it. Okay, let's show some more tab work and some more tab APIs. I wanted to show, something that's going to be very interesting probably is this is a native tab. You can refer to the native tab and you can use the native tab as an API. This is the code for it. And I'm going to use tabs function agent to change the agent to a mobile one. So this is a mobile Wikipedia. So what Warp can do for you, you can automate the size, the agent, stuff that you weren't able to automate through other browsers. There are no APIs that allow you as a developer to automate agent and rendering and evaluation the way work does.